Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today the theme is Monsoon for kids. So let's get started and don't forget to subscribe. The monsoon is a special season when lots of rain falls, usually during the summer. It happens because warm air from the land and cooler air from the ocean meet, causing clouds to form and bring heavy rain. In many parts of the world, especially like countries like India, Bangladesh, and parts of Africa, monsoons are very important because they bring the water that helps crops grow. During the monsoon, you might see dark clouds, hear thunder, and feel the cool breeze before the rain comes. Some kids love to splash in puddles while others enjoy watching the rain from inside. The air becomes cooler and everything around becomes greener as plants and trees love the extra water. While the rain is great for the environment, too much rain can sometimes cause floods. So people need to be careful during the monsoon. Monsoon are the time when nature shows its power, helping plants and animals thrive.